we're going to make a beaded beret. You're going to need size 5 bulky yarn, size I or 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and 143 pony beads. I don't use the magic circle method for beginning a round project. I use the chain 3 and slip stitch to form a loop. All beginning chain stitches are going to count as a stitch. So for round 1, we chain 3 and we're going to place 11 double crochet in the loop, and we're going to slip stitch to join. The written pattern can be found on my Ravelry page for free. Yay! Round 2 is the round that we start with the beads. So we're going to begin the round with a chain 3, and then we're going to double crochet in the same stitch. Now we're going to place a bead. We're going to chain 1, and then we're going to pinch the yarn, folding it in half, and we're going to slip it onto the pony bead and do a chain 1 to secure the bead to the yarn. And then we're going to double crochet in the next stitch. So the repeat for round 2 is going to be double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, place a bead, and you're going to do that all the way around, and you're going to end with a chain 1, place a bead, and then slip stitch in your beginning double crochet. Here's how it will look at the end of round 2. Round 3 begins with our standard chain 3, and we're going to double crochet in the same stitch. Then we're going to chain 1 and place a bead, and 2 double crochet in the next double crochet. So that's going to be our repeat. The 2 double in 1 stitch, chain 1, place a bead. Just do that all the way around, ending with a bead, chain 1, and slip stitch to your beginning chain 3. Round 4 begins with a chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, and then we're going to double crochet in the next stitch, chain 1, place a bead. So your repeat is going to be 2 double in the first double crochet, 1 double in the next, chain 1, place a bead all the way around. Round 5 is going to be chain 3, double crochet in same stitch, then we're going to double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, chain 1, and place a bead. So your repeat is going to be 2 double crochet in the first stitch, and then 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 1, place a bead, and you'll slip stitch in the beginning chain 3 to join. Round 6 begins with chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch. Then we're going to double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, chain 1, place a bead, and then 2 double crochet in the next stitch. You're going to do that all the way around. So the repeat looks like 2 double in the first stitch, double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, chain 1, place bead. Round 7 begins with a chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, and then we're going to work a double in each of the next 4 stitches. Chain 1, place a bead. So our repeat is 2 double in the first stitch, double in each of the next 4, chain 1, place a bead. Round 8 begins with a chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, double in each of the next 5 stitches, chain 1, place a bead. So your repeat is going to be 2 double in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in each of the next 5 stitches, chain 1, place a bead. Round 9 begins with a chain 3, double crochet in the same stitch, and then you're going to put 1 double in each of the next 6 stitches. Chain 1, place a bead. So your repeat is 2 double in the first stitch, 1 double in each of the next 6 stitches, chain 1, place bead, all the way around. Round 10. This is the round that begins with no increases. So we're not adding to the number of stitches in our round. We're basically going to just do the same round we did, but it's going to go like this. Chain 3, and then we're going to double crochet in each of the next 8 double crochet, chain 1, place a bead. So the repeat is just simply double crochet in each of the next 9 stitches, chain 1, place bead. Round 11 is the beginning of our decrease rounds. We're going to chain 3, double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches, and then we're going to work a decrease over the next 2 double crochet. Then we're going to double crochet in the next 3 double crochet, chain 1, place a bead. So the repeat is double crochet in the first 4 doubles. You're going to work a decrease over the next 2 stitches, and then 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Chain 1, place bead. Round 12 starts with a chain 3, double crochet in the next double crochet, and then you're going to decrease over the next 3 double crochet. That just means you hold a loop on and you don't complete the double crochet until you've worked a stitch into each 3. Okay, hope that made sense. And then you're going to double crochet in the next 2 double crochets. Chain 1, place a bead. The repeat is going to be double crochet in the first 2 double crochet, decrease over the next 3, and then double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Chain 1, place bead. This is round number 13. I have an optional way to work this round on the pattern on Ravelry. So I encourage you to go over there and look at that if you're having fitting issues. It's just an alternative way to do that to where it's a little bit more loose. So for this round 13, we're going to start with a chain 3. We're going to decrease over the next 3 double crochets, and then we're going to double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1, and do not place a bead on this round. We're not going to work with the beads anymore. And the reason we don't is because that bead is going to get lost in the single crochet round that we're going to do next, so you're just going to be wasting a bead. It won't be seen. So our repeat is going to be double crochet, decrease over 3 doubles, and then 1 more double crochet, chain 1, the last few rounds, round 14 through 17, all we're going to do is chain 1, single crochet in each stitch and in each chain around, and then you'll just slip stitch to join. And then the part that most crocheters either hate to do or just don't do, and that's going to be finishing off and weaving in ends. And I just pick random places on the inside of the hat to pull that long string through and just work it through as far as I can so that the end of that yarn won't work its way back out.